Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the band of stars stretching across the heavens? That's our galaxy, the Milky Way. This mesmerizing spiral galaxy is a complex structure consisting of a central bulge enveloped by 4 major spiral arms, where stars, gas, and dust swirl in an intricate cosmic dance. In terms of sheer size, our galaxy spans an impressive 100,000 light-years and hosts an estimated 200 billion stars. Yet despite its grandeur, the Milky Way remains a mystery to us. Its formation, for instance, is a puzzle. How did this vast, spiraling expanse of stars and cosmic matter come into being? What processes were involved? How long did it take? These are just some of the questions that continue to perplex astronomers and astrophysicists. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, is an enigma waiting to be unraveled. At the very center of the Milky Way lies a mystery of astronomical proportions. Nestled within the densest part of our galaxy, known as the central bulge, lie stars older than time itself, orbiting in a dance of cosmic proportions. The pull of their dance partner, a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A*, is so strong it shapes the very fabric of our galactic home. Weighing in at 4 million times the mass of our Sun, this enigmatic entity is the heart around which our galaxy turns. Yet, the origins of this celestial titan and its bustling neighborhood remain shrouded in mystery. How did they form? How do they shape the galaxy around them? These are questions that continue to challenge our understanding of the cosmos, pushing us to probe deeper into the intriguing abyss of our galaxy's heart. The heart of our galaxy harbors secrets that continue to baffle astronomers. The Milky Way is not a static entity, it's a dynamic, ever-evolving cosmic ballet. Every star, gas cloud, and speck of dark matter is locked in a perpetual dance, each with their own rhythm, guided by the invisible hands of gravity. The interactions between these celestial bodies are akin to an intricate choreography, with gravitational forces acting as the lead dancers, weaving stars into intricate patterns across the galactic stage. Galactic collisions and orbital motions add to the spectacle, reshaping the galaxy and setting the pace for the cosmic dance. These collisions, while cataclysmic, are catalysts for change, birthing new stars and spreading the elements necessary for life. The orbital motions of stars and gas clouds, on the other hand, are like the twirls and spins of dancers, tracing elliptical paths around the galactic center. It's a ballet of epic proportions, where every movement matters, every interaction counts. The dance of the Milky Way is a complex performance, choreographed by the laws of physics. The stars of the Milky Way are ancient storytellers, whispering tales of our galaxy's past. Their silent narratives are akin to a cosmic diary, chronicling the eons of our galactic history. This is the essence of Galactic Archaeology, a fascinating field that deciphers the secrets of our universe by studying the stars. Each star is like a puzzle piece, contributing to a larger picture of how our galaxy evolved over billions of years. They're categorized into distinct populations based on age, composition, and location. These stellar populations offer insights into our galaxy's timeline and growth. Then there are cosmic relics, remnants from the dawn of the cosmos. They serve as celestial archaeologists, unearthing clues about the early universe and the processes that led to the formation of galaxies like ours. The stars are not just points of light, they are cosmic time capsules. Each one holds a piece of the story, a glimpse into the history and mysteries of the Milky Way. Not everything that shapes our galaxy can be seen. Some forces lurk unseen in the shadows. Welcome to the enigmatic world of dark matter and dark energy, the elusive phantoms of the cosmos. These mysterious entities, invisible to our telescopes, are the unseen puppeteers that pull the strings of our universe. Imagine a cosmic ballet where the dancers are stars, galaxies, and clusters, all waltzing in a grand cosmic choreography. But who is the choreographer of this celestial dance? It's dark matter, a substance we can't see, touch, or detect directly. It doesn't glow, it doesn't emit radiation, but we know it's there. We see its effects in the way galaxies rotate, the way light bends as it travels through the universe, and the large-scale structure of the cosmos itself. It's the gravitational glue that holds the galaxies together, a silent yet powerful conductor of the cosmic orchestra. But there's another player in this cosmic drama: dark energy. If dark matter pulls everything together, dark energy does the opposite. It's a mysterious force that's causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. Think of it as the enigmatic energy that's stretching the cosmic fabric, pushing galaxies apart and reshaping the cosmic landscape. It's like an invisible hand, constantly pulling the strings of the universe and driving its fate. Dark matter and dark energy are the yin and yang of the cosmos, shaping the Milky Way and the entire universe. They make up around 95% of the total mass energy content of the universe, with everything we can see, stars, galaxies, nebulae, accounting for just a tiny fraction. The shadows of the universe are elusive, mysterious, and omnipotent. They are the unseen architects of the cosmos, the hidden forces that sculpt the galaxies, drive the cosmic evolution, and determine the fate of the universe. In the cosmic theater, dark matter and dark energy play the leading roles, unseen yet omnipresent. Galaxies like the Milky Way grow not just by creating new stars, but also by consuming others. This cosmic phenomenon, known as galactic cannibalism, may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a reality in our universe. Imagine a larger galaxy with its vast gravitational pull luring in a smaller, unsuspecting galaxy. Over time, the smaller galaxy is torn apart, its stars and gas clouds absorbed into the larger galaxy, forever altering its structure and star formation history. There's compelling evidence to suggest that our very own Milky Way has indulged in this galactic feast. Astronomers have found remnants of smaller galaxies within our own, their stars now part of the Milky Way's complex tapestry. These cosmic meals have helped shape the Milky Way into the spiral galaxy we recognize today. In the vast cosmic arena, galaxies are both creators and destroyers. In the Milky Way, a cosmic game of hide-and-seek is underway. We're on the hunt for the elusive missing baryons, the ordinary matter that forms stars, planets, and gas clouds. You see, the numbers just don't add up. When we tally the baryons detected in the galaxy, we're coming up short compared to the predicted amount from the Big Bang Theory. It's like expecting a dozen donuts in a box, but finding only 6. So where are these mysterious baryons hiding? Some astrophysicists suggest they could be in hot, diffuse gas between galaxies, or perhaps in the form of dark matter. Others propose they're concealed in interstellar dust clouds. The chase continues, with telescopes peering into the cosmic depths, hoping to find these elusive particles. The missing baryons are a puzzle piece that could complete the picture of our galactic home. Every entity has a beginning, and our galaxy is no exception. The birth of the Milky Way is a cosmic mystery that has intrigued astrophysicists for years. The story begins over 13 billion years ago, in the early universe, when the cosmos was a swirling cauldron of gas and dark matter. It was from this primordial soup that the first stars began to form, their fiery births creating the initial building blocks of what would later become the Milky Way. Over time, these early stars clustered together, drawn in by the pull of their collective gravity, forming the first stellar nurseries, the precursors to modern galaxies. However, the exact process of how these early clusters evolved into the spiral galaxy we call home is still a topic of heated debate. Some theories suggest a violent past, marked by galactic collisions and mergers, while others propose a more peaceful evolution. But no matter the path taken, our galaxy's birth is a cosmic tale written in the stars. As we journey through the Milky Way, we find more questions than answers. We've swept across the vast galactic canvas, marveled at the heart of our galaxy, and danced with the stars in a cosmic ballet. We've listened to the echoes of the past, chased the elusive shadows of the universe, and witnessed a galactic feast. We've hunted for missing baryons and delved into the birth of the Milky Way. Yet the mysteries persist. The enigma endures. Every corner of our galaxy holds a puzzle waiting to be solved, each star a story waiting to be told. The work of deciphering these mysteries is ongoing, with astronomers and astrophysicists peering into the cosmos, seeking answers that may shape our understanding of the universe. In the grand scheme of things, we're just starting to scratch the surface. May the mysteries of the Milky Way continue to inspire curiosity and wonder in all of us.